Hi guys, in this video we are going to secure our MikroTik device. So first thing we are going to secure is a discovery protocol, so finding our device in network. We don't want it to work like that, so when we are connected to our LAN network, everyone in LAN can search and look for our MikroTik, see his MAC address, IP address, the board and version of the MikroTik. So we want to get rid of it. Second thing is we are going to close some services which we are not going to use. So for this series I'm going to use only Winbox port, so 8291. So we are going to turn off all the rest of services. So FTP, SSH, Telnet, HTTP, management, and 2000 port is port for bandwidth test, bandwidth server in MikroTik. And last but not least, we are going to create simple firewall where we are going to restrict access to port 8291 only to my PC address, so only our computer will be able to enter this MikroTik device. So let's get into it. So first let's disable discovery. Let's log into our MikroTik device, go to IP section, neighbors, here discovery settings, and check interface section to none. Click OK, and after we disconnect, we shouldn't be able to see our MikroTik device in neighbor list, but we can still access it. Second thing is to disable bandwidth server and services on MikroTik we are not using. So first let's disable bandwidth server. Let's go to tools, BTest server, and uncheck enable. Click OK. That's how we disabled bandwidth server on MikroTik, so port 2000. And then let's disable services we don't use. Go to IP section, services, where's my mouse? Here. And simply click X on services we are not going to use. So for this series I'm letting only Winbox on port 8291 running. If we want to secure more our MikroTik, which is on public IP, we can simply double click on this Winbox service and change port to 8292, for example. Many ISPs are blocking port 8291, so from default we need to configure it to port 8292 or any other. Let's see how our Nmap behaves after these changes. We see only port 8291, so Winbox port open, so we've set up everything correctly. Okay, let's go to the last thing, so configure our firewall on MikroTik. To do this, click IP section, firewall, click plus button, chain input, source address, so IP of our PC, let's check it. It's this IP. Protocol 6 TCP to destination port 8291 and action accept. And then no one more should connect to this device on port 8291. So we are adding another one rule with action reject or drop, chain input, source address 000/0, so all IP addresses to protocol 6 to destination port 8291. So after that, no one more than us should access this MikroTik, and we are going to check it. Okay, right now you see the screen recorded on my mobile phone. I am in the network and I can ping this MikroTik device. Let's try port scan. no ports are open for my device. Now I'm trying to access this device from MikroTik app on my mobile phone. And as you see, it says connection refused at the bottom of the screen. I'll try one more time and connection is still refused, so our setup is working. Okay, so that was basic MikroTik hardening, which is sufficient for most of cases. Even though MikroTik is on public IP address, it shouldn't be reached by any chance. So I hope you liked this video, and bye.